Good evening to all of you. Respected Chairman of the Department, Professor K. Krishna Sharma, and all the participants. I want to share few points with respect to health concepts in yoga. Yoga is the contribution of ancient Indian tradition to the world. Aim of yoga is samadhi, that is attaining the highest state of concentration or self-realization. Maharshi Patanjali tells Yoganga Anushthanat Ashuddhikshaye Jnana Deepti Raviveka Khyate. That is, by the practice of different levels of yoga, impurities are destroyed and knowledge becomes effulgent up to discrimination. If we see benefits of practicing different limbs of yoga, we can clearly understand the attainment of perfect health. When we consider the practice of yoga is through Anushasana, that is teaching by the teacher followed by practice by the disciple. We can see, for example, Anushasana, Anushtana, Gurupadishta Margena Yogamema Sadabhyaset. Attaining of knowledge in other Shastras is through inquiry, desire, curiosity, discussion, jijnasa. We can see the practice of yoga for this. For example, in Vedanta Sara, Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana and Samadhi is there. So to attain Samadhi, practice of Ashtanga Yoga, that is there. Practice of Ashtanga Yoga, that is told. In the same way, Sankhya, while telling about the Sattvika nature of Buddhi, he tells Dharma, and that is to be attained by the practice of Ashtanga Yoga. So practice of Ashtanga Yoga, that gives realization. Also, yoga becomes very important when we take the other to attain the knowledge. Practice of yoga, that is very much essential. So in all this process of attaining knowledge, realization, basic requirement, that is health. So we can remember here the statements like Nayamatma balahinena labhyaha na medhaya bahuna shrutena. In the same way, Sharira madhyam khalu dharma sadhanam. So that is perfect body, perfect senses and the chitta are very essential to attain the realization. And this is possible by the practice of yoga. Health is wealth. This slogan is very famous. So what is health? So if we take the WHO definition, a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. And if we take the Indian definition, Samadosha Samagnischa, everybody is knowing this. Samadhatu malakriyaha prasannatmendriyamanaha swastha ityabhidhiyate. That is balanced state of Tridosha, Agni, Dhatu, production and excretion of the waste material. In the same way, pleasant mind and senses. So this is the health. Maharshi Patanjali mentions Vyadhi, that is disease, while mentioning the Chitta Vikshepas, that is obstructing distractions. So Vyadhi, Sthana, Samshaya, Pramada, Alasya, Avirati, Kranti Darshana, Alabdha Bhumikatva, Anavastitatvani, Chitta Vikshepaha, Te Antarayaha, like that the sutra. So we can clearly understand ancient Indian sages, Maharshi Patanjali, have perfectly defined health more than 2000 years ago itself. How to attain health? So to attain the health, we have to control Chitta Vritti. We have to control Chitta Vikshepas. When we control Chitta Vritti, we can control Chitta Vikshepas. When there is no Chitta Vritti, no disease. We can become free from the disease. According to yoga, body and mind, these two are together. These two are inseparable. Disturbance in the body and senses disturbs the mind. Disturbance in the mind disturbs the body. Therefore, to keep the body healthy, mind should be healthy, and to attain concentration, we have to keep the body and mind healthy. So for this, practice of different limbs of yoga, we have to do. Practice of different yogic practices. So that is told. And these practices cure the diseases and promote health. Maharshi Patanjali tells to overcome the Chitta Vikshepas, Chitta Prasadana methods. So Dukkha Daurmanasya Angamejayatva Shwasa Prashwasa Vikshepa Sahabhuvaha. So these are the symptoms which accompany Chitta Vikshepa. In the same way, how to overcome the Chitta Vikshepa? Maharshi Patanjali tells Tat Pratishayadhartham Ekatatvabhyasaha. And after that, Maitri Karuna Mudita Upekshanam, that sutra comes. That means you have to practice friendship, mercy, happiness, and indifference, respectively, towards happy, unhappy, good, and evil. In the same way, pranayama. So, prachardana vidharanabhyam va pranasya. So, that is about the practice of pranayama, thorough exhalation and retention. In the same way, extraordinary sense perception to concentration. Vishayavativa pravrittirutpanna manasaha sthiti nibandhani. In the same way, Vishokava Jyotishpati, by meditation on effulgent light, which is beyond sorrow. In the same way, Vitaraga Vishayam Vachittam, that is meditation on holy person, great person, perfectly free from attachment. In the same way, Swapna Nidra Jnana Lambanamba, meditating on the knowledge that comes in sleep. Next, Yatabhimata Dhyanatva, by meditation on anything that appeals one as good. So, appeals one as good means agreeable method. It should be a time tested factor. So, it should be a time tested factor. It should be a perfect one. And if that is agreeable to a person, then he can concentrate on that. And when he concentrate on that, he can concentrate on elsewhere also. So like this, Chitta Prasadana, one can attain. To make one healthy, control of Chitta Vikshepa, that is essential. So we can see Swami Vivekananda, Swami Shivananda, Swami Niranjananda Saraswati, or Shankaracharya, like that, who are very healthy and achieved the great things at an early age. So Abdul Kalam, so we can also see he was very healthy and reached great heights. If we take the attaining of health, texts mention different practices starting from food. Practice of these take us to attain health along with the path of yoga. So, ahara shuddhau sattva shuddhihi, sattva shuddhau dhruva smritihi, smritirlambhe sarvagranthinaam vipramoksha. So, like this, the food plays that much important role in attaining the true knowledge. How to attain health? Maharshi Patanjali tells about Ashtanga Yoga following. Let us see few points from this. So following Shaucha, proper lifestyle, that is very important. The proper following of Shaucha, Shauchat Swanga Jugupsa Paraira Samsargaha Sattva Shuddhi Saumanasya Aikagriya Indriya Jaya Atmadarshana Yogyatvanicha. So meaning is very clear. In the same way, tapas, kaya siddhi and indriya siddhi. So that type of body and senses one can attain. If we come to asana, tato dvandvan abhigataha. That is, by the practice of asanas, dualities do not obstruct. So dualities, dvandva, that is the cause of disease. If we come to Hata Pradipika, 4th century text, 14th century text, we can see Swatmarama telling health benefits of practicing different practices. He tells, Kuriyat tadasanam sthiryam arogyancha angalagavam. So asana, practice of asana brings mental and physical steadiness, health and lightness. That is, it overcomes rajas and tamas, it controls and balances tridosha. In the same way, if we take मत्स्येन्द्रासन जठर प्रदीप्तिं प्रचंड रुंगमंडल खंडनास्त्रम अभ्यासतः कुंडलिनी प्रबोधम चंद्रस्थिरत्वं च ददाति पुंसा. So stimulates gastric fire, weapon of destruction of group of terrible diseases. Then Paschimottanasana. Paschimottanamasanagryam pavanam paschimavahinam karoti. Udayam jఠरानलस्य कुर्याद् उदरे कार्श्यम arogata. So disease freeness. It gives intense, kindles gastric fire. In the same way, Mayurasana. Janayati jఠराग्निं jarayet kalakutam. So here also kindles gastric fire. All the diseases are cured quickly. Harati sakala roga nashu. He tells like that. In the same way, Shavasana. Shavasanam shrantiharam chitta vishranti karakam. So words of fatigue of body and mind brings mental repose. So like this, we can see from Hatha Pradipika. So Padmasana. Benefit of Padmasana, he tells, Etad Vyadhi Vinashakari Yaminam. So destroys all diseases of the yogi, practitioner. Relationship between mind and breath, that is explained by Swatmarama. So Chale Vate Chalam Chittam. When mind is disturbed, breathing is disturbed. So therefore, when we control the breathing, we can control the mind. And he explains Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. And with respect to the symptoms of Nadi Shuddhi, he tells Kayasya Krishata Kantis Tatha Jayeta Nishchitam. In the same way, Analasya Pradipanam, that is intensified gastric fire. And these are the benefits, he tells. And coming to Kriyas, Kasashvasa Pliha Kushtam Kaparogascha Vimshatihi Dhauti Karma Prabhavena. Prayantyevana samshaya. So we can clearly see the health benefits explained directly. Basti, he tells, Ulma plihodaranchapi vata pitta kapodbhavaha. So these one can overcome. Next, Basti karma prabhavena kshiyante sakalamaya. All diseases due to vata, pitta and kapha are cured. Coming to Neti, Kapala Shodhani Chaiva, Divya Drishti Pradayini, Jatrurdhva Jatarogaudham, Netirashu Nihanticha. So cleanses the sinuses, gives good vision, and destroys diseases soon. Diseases of the region above the shoulder. The same way, Surya Bhedana, Pranayama, Kapala Shodhanam, Pata Doshagdam, Krimi Doshahrit, Punaf Punaridam Karyam, Surya Bhedana Muttamam. So cleanses the sinuses, destroys disorders of vata and diseases by worms. Ujjayi, Shleshma dosha haram kante dehanala vivardhanam. So removes throat diseases due to kapha and increases gastric fire. Shitali destroys diseases like glandular enlargement, disorders of spleen, fever, bile, hunger, thirst, and all poisons. So which may be food poison like that, which he might have swallowed. If you take Bhastrika, Vata Pitta Shleshmaharam, Shariragni Vivardhanam. So cures diseases of Vata, Pitta and Kapha. So balances the Tridoshas, increases gastric fire. So Brahmari, so mental benefit. So Chitte Jata Kachitananda Leela, an indescribable blissful experience. An indescribable blissful experience one can get by the practice of Brahmari. Mahamudra, coming to mudras, Nahi Patyam Apatyam Va Rasa Sarvepi Nirasaha Api Bhuktam Visham Ghoram Piyusham Ivajiryati. In the same way, Kshaya Kushta, etc. Tasya Doshaha Mahamudranta Yobhyaset, he tells. So, diseases, constipation, etc., indigestion, all are destroyed, completely destroyed. So, if you take Mahaveda, Vali Palita Vepagna, Sevyate Sadhakottamahi. So, destroys wrinkles, grey hair, tremor. Viparita Karani Mudra, Palitam Chaiva Shanmasordvam Nadrishyate. So, wrinkles, grey hair disappear after 6 months. So overcomes premature death. So that is prarabdha karma can also be restrained, controlled by the practice of this mudra. So the practice is that much efficient, not only the physical level, not only the mental level, prarabdha that also can be controlled. So prarabdha is cause of disease. These are few references from Hata Pradipika. If we take Gheranda Samhita text from 17th to 18th century, so he tells Amakumbha. So the body is like earthen pot. We have to bake it by the fire of yoga. Otherwise, it will be worn out. So the that Amakumbha, that is to be baked through the fire of yoga. Coming to Kriyas in Gheranda Samhita, let me take a few references. See, Nityam Kuryat Prabhatecha, Danta Rakshancha Yogavit. So, Danta Mula Dhauti, that should be practiced every morning to preserve the teeth. Vamana Dhauti, he tells, Nityam Abhyasa Yogena Kapha Pittam Nivarayet. Parts of diseases due to phlegm and bile. Then Vastra Dhauti, Arogyam Balapushtischa Bhavet Tasya Dine Dine. So day by day brings more and more health, strength and growth. Then Neti, Sadhaye Neti Karmasya Kechari Siddhimapnuyat Kapadosha Vinashyanti Divya Drishti Prajayate. So disorders of phlegm, it can be controlled. Kechari, that can be attained. In the same way, gives sharp vision. Coming to asanas, Gheranda, he tells Bhujangasana, for example, Dehagni Vardhate Nityam Sarva Roga Vinashanam Jagrati Bhujagi Devi Bhujangasana Sadhanat. So Bhujangasana practice Kundalini, that is aroused, increases Agni and all diseases are destroyed. So Viparita Karani, he tells, regular practice of Viparita Karani gets rid of old age and death. So he is respected as a Siddha and does not perish even in Pralaya. Mitahara, while explaining about Pranayama, he tells Mitaharam Vinayastu Yogarambhantu Karayet Nana Rogo Bhavet Tasya Kinchid Yogo na Siddhyati. So that is, who begins practice of yoga without Mitahara suffers from many diseases and does not make progress in yoga. So I told practice starts from the food itself. So I told in the beginning. Then Surya Bhedana, Gheranda tells, Bodhayet Kundali Shaktim, Dehagnincha Vivardhayet, Jara Mrityu Vinashaka. So meaning is very clear. So if we take another text, Shiva Samhita, so he tells, while describing the beginning or Arambhavastha in the practice of pranayama, Praudhavahni Subhogicha, Sukhi Sarvanga Sundaraha, Sampurna Hridayo Yogi, Sarvotsaha Balanmitaha, Jayate Yogino Avashyam Etat Sarvam Kalevare. So these are the qualities surely found in the bodies of yogi in the beginning. What are the qualities? He tells strong appetite, good digestion, handsome figure, great courage, enthusiasm, and full strength. And if we take Yoga Bija, another Nathapanta text, so he tells Pakwa and Apakwa. These are the two types of persons. Who is practicing yoga, he is called Pakwa. Who is without yoga, he is called Apakwa. So Apakwa is always prone to diseases. His chitta is not controlled. Pakwa, he is always healthy and he acquires qualities, Shama, Dama, etc. And he becomes free from Ahankara and free from Dukkha. And the practice of Ujjayi, the text tells, overcomes Kapha at the throat. Hata Pradipika also tells, increases gastric fire. Then Shiroroga, Jalodara, Dhatukata dosha, one can overcome. In the same way, first benefit of practice of yoga is loss of disease. one becomes free from disease. One becomes free from disease. Roga nashta, he mentions like that. In the same way, who has conquered Vayu, he only is the yogi. He becomes conqueror of the senses and remains happy always. He tells while explaining the pranayamas. Next, Siddha Siddhanta Paddhati. Siddha Siddhanta Paddhati. He tells the benefits with respect to the practice of yoga for 12 years. So, first year, what is the benefit? Second year, what is the benefit? So, he tells the body becomes free from diseases. It becomes pure. That is the first benefit. That is benefit can be seen in the first year. Benefit that can be seen in the first year. See, there is a saying, Sarve rogaha agni mulaha. So good digestion, that is very important. Good digestion that strengthens the immune system and prevents the diseases. Also, the microbes, organisms living in the GIT that control the health. So, therefore, the practice of mitahara, pathya, apatya, these are all very important. Practice of other links, that is also very important. Keeping digestive system healthy, that is also very important. So, therefore, this body-mind relationship we have seen already. We can see in yogic texts giving importance to lifestyle, yama niyama, good food habit, mitahara, pathya, apatya. In the same way, while telling the benefits of the yogic practices, we can see texts mentioning Jataragni, disease-free condition, chitta vishranti, balanced state of tridoshas, etc., along with the benefits directly connected with samadhi. So, I have tried to tell few points here from the classical texts. So, we can see very clearly health concepts. We can see very clearly health concepts. Next, coming to the end.
Yes, sir.
Coming to the end.
Sir, thank you. Thank you so much for your.
No, coming to the end.
Yes, sir.
One minute.
Okay.
So anybody can use the principles of yoga. Anybody can use the principles of yoga and be benefited. As Hata Pradipika tells, Yuva vruddhoti vruddhova, yadhito durbalopiva, abhyasat siddhimapnoti, sarva yogeshvatandritaha. So in the same way, success is attained by those who practice. Without practice, no success. Kriya yukta se siddhi syad akriyasya katham bhavet, na shastra patha matrena, yoga siddhi prajayate. In the same way, na veshadharanam siddhe, karanam na cha tatkatha, kriyaiva karanam siddhe, satyametam na samshaya. So practice properly with the guidance of an expert, teacher, guru. So guru upadishta margena, it is repeatedly told if we see the text. So we can definitely realize health is wealth in the present situation of COVID pandemic, which has shaken the economy of the individual as well as the world, nation also. So loss of life also it is there. So life is very important than the livelihood. So yoga, the monastery afflicted by the unlimited sufferings. So all of us practice yoga and be benefited. I take this opportunity to thank Professor Krishna Sharma, my teacher, chairman of the department, and the organizing team for giving me this opportunity. I thank all the participants for the patient hearing. Thank you. Thank you one and all.